Hello everyone, my name is Deepak and today I'll be presenting my project Optimizing Last Mile Delivery Operations in Indian Tier 2 cities. This is about understanding how rapid delivery services like the 10-minute delivery models work in smaller Indian cities and how companies can manage them effectively. Quick commerce is becoming very popular in India. People expect groceries, medicines, and daily items delivered in just 10 to 20 minutes. These services use dark stores, gig workers, and real-time tech. While it's already working in big cities, now it's moving on to tier two cities like Indore and Vizag, where there are more challenges like poor roads and changing demand. My project focuses my project focuses on how companies can manage speed, cost, and service in such areas. Objectives and research questions. The main goal of my project was to understand how rapid delivery models work in smaller Indian cities. I wanted to study their supply chain strategies and how they manage challenges while maintaining fast delivery. I also tried to answer three questions. How are last mile deliveries managed in Tier 2 cities? What kind of supply chain works best for this model? Are companies meeting customer expectations? The quick commerce market in India is growing fast. It is expected to reach $5.5 billion by 2025. Companies like Zepto, Blinkit, Swiggy, Swiggy Instamart, and BB Now deliver essential in just 10 to 20 minutes using dark stores and gig delivery workers. These services are now expanding to tier 2 cities like Indore, Vizag, and Kochi. In many of these cities, the average delivery time is already under 15 minutes, and over 70% of customers expect their delivery in under 20 minutes. This growth is happening because of rising smartphone usage, internet access, and demand for convenience. Uh, slide. This slide shows how it works. The slide shows the full process. First, the customer places the order through the app. So you can see the flow chart here, like how the process happens in one by one steps. So I'll explain it. First, the customer places the order through the app. The nearest dark store gets the order, and the staff working in the dark store quickly picks up and packs the item. A delivery partner is then automatically assigned based on their location in being close proximity with the dark store and their availability. And using the GPS, the system finds the fastest route, and the delivery is then made. Behind the scenes, the system is adjusting the staffing, and the system also plans proper routing to meet the real-time demand. So this is how the entire system works. And the next slide shows the simplified process of the same. And as you know, it's like the simple visual of the same process. The entire thing starts with the order placement to the nearest dark store to the inventory, packing and picking, and prepping it for the delivery, and then sending it through the delivery partner, and then it goes in transit and it delivers to the customer, all in 10 minutes in tier 1 cities. And currently it takes 15 to 20 minutes in tier 2 cities, and and it is expected to uh, like come down significantly in coming years. Supporting technology. None of this can happen without the right technology. Customers use mobile apps with UPI for easy payments. UPI is Unified Payment Interface, um, something which Indians use. It's a payment interface like instant payments, which can be done by using biometrics or an app in the mobile phones. And GPS and Google Maps help with the real-time tracking. AI assigns delivery partners and optimizes routes. After delivery, feedback systems collect reviews and ratings. These tools help maintain transparency, speed, and service quality. So coming to the supply chain fit model. So it's based on the Fisher's framework. I used a concept from our course called the supply chain fit model by Fisher. This model says we should match the type of product with the right type of supply chain. Quick commerce is not just about groceries, it's about delivering them very fast, which with unpredictable demand. So it behaves like an innovative product. So it needs a responsive supply chain, one that is fast, flexible, and handles changes quickly. If we use a cost-focused or efficient supply chain here, it can lead to stockouts, delays, and poor customer experiences. Challenges and solutions in Tier 2 cities. So now let's look at some real challenges in Tier 2 cities. Uh, most of the real, most of the Tier 2 cities, uh, though it is not widely present in every city, but few of them, especially in the suburban regions, often have roads which are narrow and kind of damaged. Fewer orders mean higher delivery, which means like more cost per customer, higher delivery cost per customer. Demand keeps changing, especially on weekends and festivals. Gig workers are not always available on time. To solve this, companies are opening small dark stores in local areas, using AI to forecast demand and optimizing delivery routes. So hiring gig workers dynamically based upon the time and area and the demand. Even some are using electric bikes or cycles to kind of reduce the cost. Observations and recommendations. From my research, I have observed that quick commerce is growing fast in smaller cities, but many companies still follow models made for metros. They need to adjust to local issues like uh, the the uncertain road conditions and uncertain demands. So my recommendations are use a responsive supply chain, not a focused one. Invest in local dark stores. Use AI and data to plan staffing and stock. Scale slowly while ensuring quality and profitability. Conclusion. In conclusion, quick commerce is changing how we get daily essentials in India. Tier 2 cities have great potential but also have many challenges. To succeed in Tier 2 cities, company needs smart planning, fast supply chains, good technology, and flexible operations. With the right approach, they can balance speed, cost, and growth effectively. Thank you. I hope you like my presentation and I can answer any questions um, if you have. So, thank you.